Cooking some Cameroonian traditional meals can be so time consuming and so tasking. But today I'm going to show you guys how I peel and blend my cocoyams for EKWANG or for KWACOCO. Today I'm actually going to be making KWACOCO and banga soup, which is a Cameroonian traditional meal from the Bakweri people. I am going to share with you guys the recipe of how to make KWACOCO and banga soup. But first, let me show you guys that you can deviate from the old traditional way of grating your cocoyams and you can move to using your blender. Now, let me ask you guys something. Do you know that the grater was actually an innovation? A lot of people say, oh no, we have to stick to the traditional way of doing things. Do you know that cocoyams, let's ask our ancestors, maybe before they used to pound cocoyams in the mortar until somebody thought, oh my god, this is so stressful, what else can we use to grind our cocoyam? And then they came up with a grater. Maybe we should look up the history of graters. Anyway, I do not believe that this will change the taste of the food as some people believe. I actually believe that there are some traditional meals that you have to really go traditional with them to get a certain taste. Okay, but I do not think that blending cocoyam would change the taste of my EKWANG or of my KWACOCO. Hence, I prefer saving myself the stress and saving myself some time by using my Happy Partner blender. You guys have asked a lot about this, my food processor, my blender. I was gifted this and it says Happy Partner, as you can see on the blender. So I think that's the brand and it does me justice every time. So as you could see, I sliced my cocoyam into very small pieces. That's just to help my blender. And then I put in a little bit of water with the first two batches that you can see me just pouring in some water now. But with the last batch, you're going to see that I will not use water and you're still going to have a very smooth paste, a smooth cocoyam paste. You guys keep watching and you see that the last batch of cocoyam, I will not be using water. So if you have a very good blender, please don't spend 2 hours grinding cocoyam with you, especially for somebody that is doing business. You don't want to do that. If you want to make KWACOCO Bible and you know you have to use red cocoyams, maybe the red cocoyams are going to be too hard to be blended in your blender. Maybe you can now blend all the white cocoyam and then you just use your grater for the red cocoyams and it makes it easy. You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours in the kitchen grating your cocoyam. I hope that I have made a point. You guys just keep watching. You would see that the last batch of cocoyam, I am not going to add water. I'm emphasizing on that because some people will be like, oh, if I have to blend, I have to put water. It's going to change the consistency of my cocoyam. So when making KWACOCO for banga soup, you can add water because you don't want it to be hard like KWACOCO Bible. Okay, so yeah, this is the consistency that we got after blending our cocoyams. I hope I have succeeded in convincing you. Our next video, I will show you guys how to tie your KWACOCO. A lot of people don't know that, so stay tuned for the next video. Bye.